So on my project here that I'm supposed to take this machine, this gluer off the stand and switch it with that one. No, not that one. That one down there. And because this rubber roller, this is the glue pan, glue sits down in there. The rubber roller, I took it out years ago because we had, there was chunks taken out of it, and there's just an inconsistent glue on this. So we got them recoated. So now it's out of round, and the glue would get thick and too thin, thick and too thin. And the label that we put on, you probably noticed these on the side of the road that we put on, is not sticking on the one side because the glue is just too thin down there. So I got a forklift, and I'm going to come in. I put the extensions on it because it's just not long enough, I don't think. And I'm going to come in through here and raise them up, and I'm going to try to put the camera in the right place to get all this. That machine there is probably it's 30 years old. All these machines are almost 30 years old. And we put these in here probably 25 years ago. So that is the oldest machine, we believe. So I'm going to take that thing out of there, and I'm going to switch them. So I'm going to take that one out, settle on the ground, and then take that one out down there, bring it over here, and put it right on that. So let's get on with it.
Hey, first try. How about that?
What I'm trying to do is keep it from sliding off that fork. I'll put the vice grips on the end. In my cage, I don't want to hit any pipes up there, especially that giant one. So
it's like dipped on this way.
Yeah, it's not gonna fall. It's just there's more slack on that side.
Well,
Alright, then it can go any farther. You can let it
no, it's gonna flip as soon as I let go.
It'll be alright. Go ahead, let it go a little bit. I got it. This pan will come out, so it'll be fine. Get that pan out. Unplug it. Let's pull it out. It's probably all gluey.
All right, we're going to try the same thing with this one. All right, hope that's going to get it. I need to tie it. I gotta get it cleaned up.